Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Facebook ads to HubSpot or how to integrate those two. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going into data management and going into integrations. Then we're going to go ahead and click on Visit App Marketplace. If you already have some apps, you can just click this button in the top right, and here you can search for whichever apps you need. Now, the app I'm searching for is Meta Ads, which is for Facebook, and I'm pretty sure all of the Meta network as well. So just click on Meta Ads, and once you're here, you can install it by clicking Install App. Now, you're most likely going to have to connect some ad accounts to HubSpot. I do not have ad accounts, but once you connect this, then it should pretty much just connect those two as well. But I'll show you guys what the features look like. I'll just go back to the app marketplace and search for the app again. Here it is. And as you can see under features, you can create targeted audiences for your ads on Meta. You can create your lead ads in HubSpot as well. You can automatically sync leads from Facebook directly into HubSpot, and you can create a consistent narrative across all your marketing efforts. So just pretty much synchronize all your marketing campaigns and enhance ad performance by syncing data with Meta. Now, the shared data is going to be analytics for ad performance, tracking code for tracking pixel, contact lists for audiences, tracking code for audiences as well, and contacts for leads. And that is basically the benefits of it and how you install this app. Now, as I mentioned, I can't show you exactly how it's installed, but just follow the steps after you click on Install App, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.